You enjoyed the moment?
I enjoyed myself very much.
Did you enjoy that moment?
Yes, very much. I relive it every day. No, not at all. I would do it again. Auntie, that's what I said. Hey. You can't do the same things for everyone. There's something that I just reserved for that one specific person.
Did you crush on that guy?
He's okay. He's handsome. He's fine. He's fine.
Would you date him?
I feel like the language barrier would kind of make it hard, but if the avenue arose, who knows?
Esi mukasya kano kankwanjulye mamiga gy'ekisi abakulembera mu education gadgets zonna mu Uganda balina tablets z'abaana zonna mu bikanga Samsung, Apple, Origimo ate nga balina n'esina keyboard. Balina ebimotoka by'abaana, ebimundu, essaawa, bags z'abaana, bottles, container ng'ogasseko ne building blocks. Balina headsets z'abaana, balina smart watch zonna ate nga ziri original. Balina wireless charger ate nga basisinkanibwa wali ku Pioneer Mall edduka li PA11. Ate ng'osobola bakubira ku 0703-69-69-04. Gambye ekikwasagana education gadgets zonna olina kwekwata mami gadgets kubanga yasinga.
Okay, kale mbandiza nnyo ku mukutu CRUZ exclusive ALLANCRUZ gemanya nyongero baniza kuyina gimusinzidde okubanga mutulabira. Twateredde dda wiiki mpya, mwezi mupya, nkwagaliza omwezi omulungi, nkwagaliza obulamu obulungi yonna gy'osinzira okubanga ate otulabira. Ennaku z'omwezi ziri 26, 26 tugenda kuba tuyingira awo e London Royal Regency Afrigo Band. Ennaku z'omwezi nga 28 ku Royal Regency we tuli. So bakama bange, mikwano gyange, abantu be London mweteeketeeke. Richmond, Mary Ngabire, Uncle Dan bakikuteekeddeteekedde ekintu kibenga kitambulira ddala bulungi nnyo, maridadi sana. Tuli wano ku Landstar Hotel esangibwa wano ku Lukuli Road opposite Papa Sport. Kifo kirungi gwayagala ew'okusula nga toyagala nnyo bintu byakusula munda eya kifo kiri ku luguudo gwamanyira Papa's Weri, then opposite Landstar Hotel weri byakulya byakunywa kusula byonna biri maridadi sana. Ndi with my friends agenda tweyanjulira mukwano gwange. She trended so much on the issue of Levie, and netuwulira engambo nti boyfriend we yamukyawa. Bwe byadde bitambula ku social media nti boyfriend yamugobye. Yagenda n'ava ku stage n'agenda n'azinanga bwakkirira bw'ayambuka ku fly ya Levie. Netugamba ya haula Kampala girls, finally temutuswazizza. You've done the expected. So I tried so much okumunonya nambula. Naye nga bw'omanyi muno bwe tubeera n'emikwano, waliwo omukwano gwange yamuyiribye n'aŋŋamba nti CRUZ mulina ne ŋŋamba otyo kerako. So she's finally here. Agenda kuba atubuulira yali kuki, kituufu boyfriend yamukyawa oba boyfriend teyamukyawa. Kyekyamuleetera okugenda ku stage n'afuna ya Levie n'azinanga bwakkirira bw'ayambuka. Ensonga ng'ezo ze tuliko olunaku olwaleero. Ne batugamba nti bazadde bo tebaali basanyufu. Your parents weren't happy. Era actually when my friend called me n'aŋŋamba akulina, ne ŋŋamba kirabika bagambye bambi family egenda apologizing. Abamu baatugambye nti family yammwe yakunyiigira nnyo ku kye wakola. Noli munyankole n'okubaswaza bakuyita batya? Bakuyita batya okuswaza mu nyankole?
I won't lie, sikimanyi.
Bakuyita batya? Tewali munyankole wano. Kuswazana? Hati n'okuswazana family yona konka twatula kwa TV twaka konka omwana yahambuka waiguru, omwana yakayika. Anyway, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for having me.
How have you been?
I've been good. I'm good. How
Really?
are you? Yes.
You girl, you made things happen. Nkokanga kureba. Kwa Instagram, kwa Facebook, kwa TikTok. Konka buli omushiija omusi buli omu ayogera ku ggwe. You made news.
That was not even my intention.
Say hello to the viewers.
Hi everyone, my name is Pauline Asimwe and I'm here to talk about what happened in general. Yeah, to just really set my story straight.
Yes, because abantu boogera Pauline abantu bakwogeredde ebigambo. So by the way, I've never seen words like that today.
Really?
You know, even by the way, let me tell you something. I never knew that Levie had come. Till when I saw that video. You know, I'm a big fan of that guy. His song, I love that song, Kachwa.
Yeah.
Now, me knowing that the guy was here is after you.
It's after that video. Yeah, a lot of people actually didn't really know that he was coming, which I don't know how you could miss that, but yeah.
Just know. How did you know?
I mean, I have a friend who works in the whole Uganda vibes. So she had been posting for like a really long time. And I was like, yeah, I definitely will go for this because I love this man. He's
yes, you
gorgeous.
love the man.
Yeah.
Looks handsome, by
He's
the way.
so handsome, yeah. So like, I will definitely go for it because I like his songs. I just feel like the French vibe is really, it's really nice. So I said I'd go. And I did. And yeah, now we are here.
That's why we are here.
Yeah.
So you went for it. But how much was the entrance?
150K for the normal section. Then VIP, you had to get a table, which was 2.5.
It was at Serena.
Yes.
And the house was full.
Full, packed upstairs as well. People were standing outside. It was massive.
How did those guys advertise this event, by the way?
I mean,
Because most of the people never knew. You know that.
a lot of people didn't know, surprisingly. I don't know how, but a lot of people didn't know.
So for you got the information from a friend?
Yes, my friend.
Huh? So you love that guy?
Yeah, I love him.
You love the guy?
I mean, I love him almost as much as I love any other star that I love. It's not like in love with him, I just love him.
What do you love about that guy? Levie.
Like I said, he's French and he's handsome and yeah.
You know French?
I took French at a point in my life, but I don't.
Sure.
I can't really lie to you that I remember what I, I don't think I can speak French. But I do love French. I just love how it sounds. It's so romantic and, out there. So, yeah.
So what do you do?
Currently, at the moment, I am a performer, so I can be a model, an actor, anything.
You're a performer?
Yes, I am.
You're a model?
Yes.
Hey. Are you married?
No. Very single. No boyfriend at all. Just said that straight.
You're single?
Very single.
How come?
What do you mean, how come?
And you're single?
Yeah, maybe I haven't found the one that I want to give it to.
So you're around there, 23, 24, 25?
23, yeah.
You're 23?
Yes.
Wow. You take him silent. Told you quarter, you take him silent. Thank you. So, you're around there?
Yes.
So, you said what do you do?
I'm a performer.
You're a performer, you're a model.
I'm a model. Yes.
So that's how you survive?
Yes.
Okay. So where pangisiza?
No. I stay at home with my parents.
So first tell me how you moved from home to Serena and then how that thing happened.
Okay, so
because you stay with your parents.
Yeah.
And remember those events end at night. End at
night, yes.
Yes.
So I had work the day before with some company that I model for, Mora Collection. Mora Collection.
Oh.
So I worked the whole of Friday, then I worked the whole of Saturday as well. Then we went to a concert together because she's my friend. Then I just stayed over at her house and went home the next day.
Yeah. So how did it come? How did you get that vibe? You went on stage confidently.
I was actually not very confident. I was shaking. I just feel like I put on an act, really. So you know how you find yourself up
yes,
there?
by the way, yes, I can understand.
Yeah, you just find yourself up there and you're like, okay, now I'm up here, I have to do something. And you do something. You do your best.
Nobody pushed you.
No.
You moved confidently.
I was
By
down.
yourself?
I was down here like in the stage, and I was like, "Oh, I need someone to come up here."
Hey, he asked. Levie asked.
Yeah, so a bunch of girls come up, and I'm like, I mean, I could also go, so I went. Yeah, so that's how I ended up
But
there.
how come among all the girls that did everything, you trended?
I don't know. I feel like people just really like to exaggerate things. So, yeah. And you know how people thrive on scandal? So I just feel like they were like, this is a perfect target for us. So, yeah, that's how I ended up there. But I feel like I didn't really do anything that should have warranted all this attention. But what do you know? What do you know?
You know, you did like this, like this, like this. And then you touched the guy like this. And then you did like this. I bambe hanga wanji. You did like this on the guy's fly. For us, we got scared.
Why? Why would you get scared?
Pauline, you're bad.
No, I'm not. I just, like I said, I'm a performer. You know, when you have to rise to the challenge, you rise to the challenge.
So you enjoyed the moment?
I enjoyed myself very much.
Did you enjoy that moment?
Yes, very much. I
Do you
relive it
regret?
every day. No, not at all. I would do it again.
Eh?
I would do it again. I do not regret anything.
Have you ever done it before, any artist in Uganda?
No, that was actually my very first concert.
To attend?
Yeah. Like in my entire life.
Hey, you Pauline. Kahayori. You'll do it again?
I'll do it again. I mean, what's that to be ashamed about, though? What exactly did I do that's horrible?
It was too romantic.
I mean, you find ways to romanticize your life, so maybe that was my way of making this thing called life.
And they told us, from there, you went with him at the hotel. Me, that's when I felt like calling your brother, your sister, your mother, your father. I was about to die from there.
I don't even know where he stayed.
Did you hear those rumors?
Yeah, I've seen a few going around, but it all ended on that. It started on stage and ended on stage. Everyone went to their houses separately.
Did you get his number?
No.
Man, you need to. No,
I should have. I should have.
Pauline, you have that guy's number.
If I did have his number, do you really think I'd be lying about that? I feel like it would cause more, you know, uproar and stuff. I would not lie about it. But I feel like I should have been smarter about it. I should have gone with like a business card or something and I like give it to him.
Did you crush on that guy?
He's okay. He's handsome. He's fine. He's fine.
Would you date him?
I feel like the language barrier would kind of make it hard. But if the avenue arose, who knows?
Nobody has come to you like, Munange, Levie wanted you. No, you know those rumors. Nobody.
No, it all ended on there.
But you girl, you're also not sharp.
But that's what I'm telling you. It was really not that deep. That's why I think it's just so surprising to me that people think I went the extra mile. I did not go the extra mile. It was
Do you follow him?
I do follow him now, yeah.
On Instagram?
Yeah, I do follow him.
Have you tried inboxing him?
No.
You're Pauline.
I've tagged him on my post, you know, from the concert, but I didn't DM him.
Who released that video? Yourself?
No, a bunch of people actually at the concert kept recording and like posting on their Snapchat and their, you know, Instagram stories. So I feel like someone out there, I don't know who, got it and was like, oh, this is a very wonderful moment, you know, capitalize on. So, yeah.
But I doubt that guy never got you. Because according to what we've been hearing, that after that maiden concert, Pauline, you went and they found you in the room.
Who found me? Who found me in the room?
Katogo. Red day. Like Katogo that has meat in it. Morning Katogo breakfast. Like when the guy, after the guy performing, He found you in the hotel very ready, and then he said, wow, 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 look at that.
No, that's not true at all. That is not true at all.
Mama clear, and Ugandans.
I went home after that. I went home. I didn't go anywhere else. I did have a few people telling me, oh, we should go out. And I'm like, no, I need to go home and like dream about this moment. So I went home.
Which born are you in your family?
The first.
You're the firstborn?
Yes.
So your young siblings are inspired?
I have one young sibling and she's old enough to be inspired or not be inspired. She's old enough to make her own path right now, so.
Oh, so what did your parents say?
My parents have actually not said anything. I mean, I don't think they will say something. Everyone is just like on their own vibe.
Mom was just silent and dad was just silent?
Dad was silent, aunt was silent, family was silent. No one has said anything actually to me at all. So I don't know. I don't know what you expected, but no one has said anything.
Your mom just appreciated everything.
I don't think she had, she didn't have an opinion about it. She didn't have any feelings about it. She just really resigned from the whole idea. She just has nothing to say about it.
Nothing? Nothing
at all. Which is actually very surprising because I figured she'd have something to say. But I think deep down she's like, okay, I mean, she's grown now. She'll make her own decisions.
Are you seeing anybody for now?
No.
You're not seeing anyone?
I'm not seeing anybody at all.
And you're not searching?
No. I'm not.
These guys are going to ask me. You know when you did that stroke, men were just there hunting for you. They said, if you see this girl doing these things here, now what if?
But I don't understand.
You not ask me for your number. You not ask me their personality. But I say, Alan, you need number your mwana. Alan, you need number your mwana. But finally, I have it.
But then I don't
I'm
understand.
Not going to give it
don't give it out because
yes,
I don't understand how me doing it for someone else guarantees me doing it for you.
I know.
Because maybe I like him and I don't like you. And if I don't like you, I'm not going to do it for you.
That's the problem with the Ugandans. They think you're going to do the same things
for them.
No,
honey, you're not going to get the same treatment as, you know, someone that I like.
Who inspires you?
In terms of what?
In your career?
In my career? Oh, I like Rihanna. I think she has done well for herself. Yeah. I really like
Any Ugandan lady who inspires you?
Ugandan? I don't know. No, I don't think so.
Do you enjoy our music? Do you enjoy Ugandan music?
I like a few songs. I can't say...
Like which one of late?
Of late. It's called Touch and Continue, I think.
By who?
By... what's his name?
A Ugandan?
Yeah, he's Ugandan. I don't know. Is it Elijah? I don't know if it's Elijah, actually. But I like Touch and Continue.
Hey.
I think it's like really fun.
By the way, she wants to sing more people like you.
Really? Why?
I'm enjoying them more. Do you listen to Papa Mr. Kisemakula's music?
I used to back then when I was a child because, you know, it was kind of mandatory on Sundays.
Mandatory?
Yeah, if you're cleaning, you have to listen to all these songs that my mom likes. So I think back then I was kind of like in the whole thing.
Well, I love the way you open.
But now...
I swear, Pauline, give me 5. I will always host you. I love the openness.
But now I feel like now that I have my own choice, I feel like I don't think I'd go for it.
Are you on TikTok?
Yes, I am.
You're on TikTok?
Yes, I am.
Who is your favorite TikToker in Uganda?
In Uganda? In Uganda. Who do I like in Uganda? Do I have to like them for a specific thing, or can it be as shallow as, oh, they look nice?
Okay, content-wise.
Content-wise. Oh, I feel like I'm biased to say this, but I like Uptown Studios.
Up what?
Uptown Studios. And
who are those?
Who are those?
Hey.
Have you not heard of them?
No.
Remind me after this. I'll tell you everything.
Okay.
Everything.
Do you know Chicken?
Yes, I've seen a video of his where he's talking about, oh, my friend would never date that girl. And I'm just like, yeah, that girl would never look twice in your friend's direction.
Hey, yeah?
Not even once, actually. I'd never look once in his direction.
That message goes to chicken.
Yes.
You tell that boy, idiot.
I would never look twice, not even once, in your friend's direction. So I don't know why you had to do all that. You could have supported your friend without being messy. Like, you could have gone about it differently.
Is he your friend, chicken?
No.
Why are you looking like that? As if it's disgusting. Pauline, stop it.
No, I just feel very riled up, you know? I feel like he didn't have to do that.
Very what?
I feel very riled up. I feel like he didn't have to do all that. He could have just been like, oh no, my friend is innocent. He would never do that and that. That's not his girlfriend. He has a wife at home. But he went on to say so much. I'm just like, you don't know me like that. You don't know me like that.
You know my girlfriend always takes that kind of English to me. Hey. But when we are in reality facing each other, she doesn't talk the same English. Now I'm always asking her, why did you type this kind of English? I'm always on her and always telling her, now I'm going to tell her, why don't you give me Pauline's English? Pauline, why did you go to school?
I have been to quite a number of schools, actually.
Where?
For primary, I went to Gateway Nursery and
Gateway
Primary School. Yeah, it's in Entebbe.
It's very expensive, I know that school.
Okay, well, yeah. It's expensive now that it's popular, but I started back then when it was relatively new.
Okay.
Then I went to Gayaza for O-level. Then I went to Immaculate Heart for A-level. Immaculate Heart.
Where is that?
It's in Rukunji, deep down in the village. For O-level. For A-level,
Where
I mean.
don't put on shoes?
Oh, no, we do put on shoes. What? Who said that?
You've said there in the village, deep.
Okay, it's not very deep in the village, but when you say Rukunjiri, people
Why
are
did
like...
they take you there? You were very stubborn, right?
No, apparently they had the best program that I wanted to do, but then I didn't really want to do sciences, so I don't even know why. Yeah.
What did you want?
I wanted to do geography, and I did geography.
Oh,
Yeah.
which combination?
Gel, leg, what do you call it? Leg, gel?
Gel? Oh.
Okay, I think people call it leg. Literature, economics, and geography.
And normally it's ango gel ubonero umeka.
18.
Here.
Do you want proof?
Out of 20?
Yeah.
No. No, please, Bambi.
But I'm brilliant, and I look brilliant.
From the start, you've been faithful. Which other word?
Truthful?
Truthful, yes.
I still am being very truthful.
You got 18 points
Yeah.
in HSC.
Yes. You can check the newspapers from that year. I was in the newspapers from that year.
But it seems you were among those students that loved Kadanke so much, right?
No, actually I did not, because we didn't really have that many during like my school time. Apart from when I was in O-level, maybe O-level, yes, we had a time. But A-level was just serious business. Serious business, yeah. I don't know why people think I like dancing. I don't really like dancing like that. But if the avenue arises, you take it up.
The avenue arises. I'm just loving the words. The way you're spicing up your English is just kawa.
But, okay, well, I don't think it's
Do you speak
spicy,
English at home?
I do, yeah.
With your parents?
Yes.
So commonly use English at home, yeah?
No, we speak 3 languages, Runyankole, Luganda, and English, but I just feel like English is easier because my sister also speaks English. And my parents are not normally
What's your favorite social media platform?
I like TikTok. I like TikTok a lot.
TikTok, eh?
Yes.
You know Sheila Price?
No, not really. I've seen a few videos, but I don't know her. I wouldn't say I know
All
her
those
like
ones I'm
that.
talking about, they talked about you.
I don't know why, because I don't even know who she is.
Yeah,
A lot of people are talking about me. I'm just like, I don't know you that well. You don't know me
You know
that well
Kasuku?
to be making. No. Yeah, yes, I do. From like TV and stuff.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you know Kasuku.
Yeah.
Oh. So I was
What did he say? What did he say?
Kasuku was just amazed.
In a bad way? In a good way or a bad way?
Good way. It was just like, ooh. Kana kunemalanga kwata.
No way.
And I told him, Kasuku, please don't.
I don't think he can. I don't think he would.
But all in all, Munange, you made us enjoy our Sunday and Saturday. The whole weekend we were on you. on you. Nothing else.
Nothing else.
So you're telling me about the musicians you always listen to in Uganda. Then you told me Miss Such Semakula's music you listen to it in Ngamuchi.
No, I feel like that was a time in my life back then. Yeah, when I feel like I had no choice.
And don't admire Inja.
Same category.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Geoffrey Rutaya.
Yes.
Maureen Nantume.
Yes.
So they used to force you to listen to this kind of music.
It was not forceful per se, but my mom had a certain type of genre that she liked. And when she'd be listening to that, everyone would be listening to that. So it's not like you could come and be like, oh, Mom, can I put my own song? No, you could not put your own song.
So which kind of music do you listen to here?
Ugandan music. I like
music.
APAS. I like APAS music a lot. I like a few of Shiba's songs. Who else do I like? I used to like radio songs. May he so rest in peace. I really love all his songs.
Actually, even me.
I think if I were to categorize, I think it would be like my best Ugandan artist.
Radio and Weasel?
Yeah.
Or radio specifically?
No, I mean they did songs together all the time.
Yes,
so I don't think I can choose. Yeah, I'm not picky about that one.
Okay. Yeah. Joshua Baraka?
Oh, I know a few songs. But yeah, that's it. I can't say, oh, he's my favorite or something. No, I can't really say that.
Ono yogera nayo mugambe ncha yogera ne Pauline mugambe nendi kulandista. Kubanga when I'm talking to Pauline, the moment omanya bano ebansumbuwa mu luzungu lugenda. Ate nga nange saagala oyogere Luganda, njagala oyogere oluzungu. Bakadamba bakwogerera. Do you know the Bakadamas?
I do, yes.
Who are
but
those people?
The people who work outside countries for like big organizations. You know, those people who do employment agencies. Yeah, I know those, but I'm just like, what gives you the right to talk about me though?
Gossip Guru, Justin, all those people, Ankunda, those are all the TikTokers that do gossip on TikTok. They talked about you. They posted you. They were saying you misbehaved. I said no, Pauline will talk for herself.
Yeah, I should talk for myself because honestly, I don't even want to be that kind of person, but I don't think they have a right to talk about me.
Let me have a look at the video that trended. Let me have a look at your TikTok. Because I need to start following you.
My TikTok.
By the way, now Pauline oyinza okuboze wano naye nga nange obadde tommanyi. Kubanga nze kati nze ne content gwenkola omanye ddi. Hey, this is your TikTok?
Yeah.
This is the video. Pauline, this is the video.
You must have seen it. This is not new information.
Yes, but wait, this guy kissed you?
No, we did not kiss. We didn't even try.
But what if he wanted?
No.
What if he wanted?
He would not have gotten. No.
Pauline, man, this was massive.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
This was massive.
I think
You
so
enjoyed
too.
it?
I had a time. Yeah, I did have a time.
But what do you put in this waist? That is too soft.
I don't know. No, I think it's natural, honestly. Yeah? It's natural.
Me actually, I thought about this wasn't in Uganda.
I mean, I do go to the gym, so maybe that helps.
Hey, you go to the gym?
I do go to the gym, yeah.
To do what? To cut weight?
To add, actually.
To add weight? Hey, Pauline, look at the way how this guy...
I know. See how he was holding me? I like that. I like that. I watch it every day. Every single day. I'm like, yeah, I had a time. I had a wonderful time.
Hey. Mama, did you see the way you're leaving the stage? The way you gave him this eye like this?
Yes. The way I gave him that eye.
Pauline. Pauline.
Yes.
I have my cousin, eh? And he's very single.
Ah, is he hot? Is he hot? Is he? Is it like drop dead gorgeous? Like if I saw him, would I
what?
try to die?
Is that what?
Is it drop dead gorgeous?
Huh.
Would I faint? I mean, at this point, I have to uphold the brand, right? If I'm going for hot men, I should go for hot men only.
Pauline.
Yes?
Do you have time every week? I host you.
We
We'll
can
be here
make
and we'll
time.
kube some
Yeah, we
chibozi.
can make time to just come here and, you know, talk
Kube
about...
some chibozi,
Yeah.
Because, you know, you're showing some girls out there who thought they know Kampala. They don't know Kampala.
They don't know Kampala.
Yeah?
I can't even say that I know Kampala myself. So imagine other people.
So this... Sham, imagine the friends you have.
My friends are actually very humble people, very...
Do you speak English every day?
Every day, yes. Without fail, I think. There's never been a day when I didn't speak English.
Wait, I'm going to call my cousin. He has money, but he's local. You know Rasa?
I don't know why.
You know Rasa?
No.
You don't know Rasa? Eh? Do you know Florence Nampija? Do you know Aromatic?
The production company? Yes.
You know
yes,
that
I
one?
do.
Would you like to act in those guys?
But I feel like I can't speak good Luganda.
Hey, yeah?
I feel like that would disqualify me because, yeah.
Now, which one should we join? Like the Nawisos?
Should we? Yeah. Yes.
I think you can be a very good actor.
Yeah, we should give it a try. Give it a try.
You can be a very good actor, Pauline.
Wano ku Hasi Beauty Parlor tuli bakafulu mu kulabirira n'okuyooyoota ensusu tukola facial ne tukupepeta ka feesi ne kawawera ng'aka baby tusiba n'okukola enviiri mu buli musono so nga mu kukola pedicure ne manicure tuwekansa tusala enviiri mu buli musono ate bwe kituuka mu kukola makeup tetumanyiiyo mulala tuli muyenga ku Tank Hill Road okuliraana Italian supermarket mu basement essimu tuli ku noti 7226 682 953 teweerabira Saluni egenda okujjayo bulungi bwo n'ekitiibwa kyo ye Hasi Beauty Parlor, a world of beauty.
But back to the point.
Yeah, back to the point.
My
We are
brother,
digressing.
my cousin, he's local, but he has money.
Money is really not everything.
Hey.
I don't know why people think money is everything. Oh, that guy must go for money. No.
Munange, they told us.
No. You can have all the money in the world and I would never look twice in your direction.
Yeah? So what do you want? What would you want?
I don't know. I like what I like. You know? Like if I see something and I like it, then yeah. But if I don't like, even if you give me, I don't know, $1 million, I will never like you.
Okay, Pauline, just tell me, what's that picture that you have in your that you already see that this is the kind of guy I would love to have, you know?
I want a tall man.
Tall.
A man who goes to the gym. A dark-skinned man.
They have passed. Yes.
Probably has more tattoos than he knows what to do with. I'd prefer him to have hair as well, like dreads or twists or something.
Like this one?
No, like actual twists, I'd want a Christian man, a man who knows the Lord. Yeah, I want a very handsome man actually. Like I just really want a very handsome man.
Like Tonics?
No.
Like John Black?
No. Like, not like who?
Like who? Fake Famaica?
Like 2018 DJ Slick Stewart. Yeah.
Like 2016?
18, like 18 to like 2022.
Hey. How Slick Stewart was looking like?
I think he was so fine in those years. Yeah. I mean, I haven't really like seen him recently, but I think he's still fine. But yeah, that kind of fine.
Even if he's broke?
What does broke have to do with anything?
Yes, because Now, you see those people looking at you right now. They think you girls of your type are after money. You know, a mother-in-law, if someone takes you to his mother, a mother will say, oyana fumba. Let me see your nails.
Natural.
Natural munange.
Yeah. Someone said they don't like my nails, and I was like, why would you even say that?
Why? By that. Why?
Why? What's there not to like?
Can you do housework?
Yeah, I cook, I clean, everything.
You wash your
I
clothes?
wash, yeah.
By yourself?
Yes.
Do you even wash men's clothes? Can you wash your man's clothes?
Who's man?
Yours.
No.
Huh?
No. No. I'm no man at the moment, but I don't think I'd wash for him.
Why? You know, as men feel nice.
Yeah, you feel
when
nice,
your wife-
but you wear very hectic clothing.
So what would you do?
If it was wearing like normal dress suit pants, yes, but yeah, like jeans and those cargo shorts and whatnot, I'm just like, no. But I do know, I know how to wash, so I don't think that would like disqualify me.
You know, I was asking some friend of mine here. You know, here we are beating chibos. I was asking some friend of mine here. A girl, she was my friend, and the guy was like, man, CRUZ, I will never date a bad kisser. Have you ever dated a bad kisser?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Would you?
Would I date a bad kisser? What other good qualities do they have? Because, you know, that matters.
Yeah, you're right. That also matters.
Yeah, because I don't think kissing should like disqualify a person generally.
You can teach him.
We can learn together. We can learn together.
Do you know, have you ever, do you have a singer?
A singer? I have one that I know. Only one.
Has she done the duties of the singer?
No, actually no, because I went to Sakate the whole of my childhood.
You went to Sakate?
So I think they did that for me already.
Sure.
Man, I'm very cultured. You people think,
Yeah.
think I'm playing.
Yeah. You know, you're also shocking me.
Yeah.
You went to Sakate?
I did.
Over one of the two is your boyfriend.
Which one?
One of the two.
Which one do you think is?
But you've told me you don't like short guys.
Unfortunately, no, my boyfriend is not here because he does not exist. I don't have one.
But he's watching.
My future one, maybe.
Is this serious?
I don't know. No one has reached out to me yet, so I think he's not very serious.
Colin, you're lying now. At this age, with all this beauty.
Okay, maybe no one that I like has reached up to me. Yeah, has reached out to me. Yeah. The ones who I don't like, those are plenty. And I'm just like, go away. I don't want you.
So many come, eh?
Not many. Actually, not as many as people think, but some, once in a while. I'm just like, no, honey, I'm not interested. Run along.
Or about just to play around, then
No, there's no playing around, because I feel like if you play around, you give someone some sort of hope, of which there's no hope. Like, we're not, where we're going is just dark. There's no hope. So we just, like, end it there.
So you blast them?
No, I let them down gently.
Like how?
I don't think this is going to work. I'm not ready for this whole commitment. Sorry. Some say no, and then you have to be mean.
It seems like oyagala kufuna muzungu.
Nedda. No, actually, don't want a muzungu, but you never know. But you can't know the future.
Have you ever dated a muzungu?
No.
Would you?
No.
Are they your taste?
No, maybe a half caste, like if you're half African, half something. Yeah, I like Afro-Asian, Afro-American, Afro something. You need to be some part of African. You know, to keep it in.
Yes, but it's nice. Eh?
Yeah.
There's the way it gives you the vibe in that relationship.
And I feel like you get the best of both worlds. So.
Which together? Going to Pauline, eh? There's a good plan to your life.
Really? In a good way, I hope.
Yeah. You're supposed to be a rich woman, by the way.
I should. Amen. Amen. Yeah.
You take it?
Yes.
Where do you go for prayers?
I'm a Catholic and I have a church. Okay, I don't have a church, but I go to church in my home area.
Hey, what's the name of your church?
St. Denis.
You know, if you had missed the name, you had spoiled the whole yogurt.
No.
Yeah.
How can I not know my own church that I've been going to for 20 plus years?
You even know the priest's name, right?
We have quite a number because they keep interchanging them. Apparently, they want them to be everywhere.
Okay.
So, yeah.
You're a lifeist, right? You love parties.
I don't really think I can be confined to one definition. I just feel like if I wake up in the morning and I'm not in a mood, then I'm not in a mood for that.
But you go for house parties. You love house parties?
No. Because I feel like when you're at house parties, there's a lot of alcohol and what?
You don't take alcohol?
No, I don't.
You don't?
I don't.
You're kidding me.
Ask anyone.
She doesn't like alcohol. She doesn't even take. Oh.
Yeah.
Wow. I wish you don't also eat pork.
Unfortunately, that one I do. And I think someone just called you and they're very, you should look at that.
No, someone was just telling me here.
Someone called.
Someone called me? Naye nkubulya Pauline ne mala naye waka wange sebowa naye lwakuba oluzungu oyogera lungi.
We shall look for something else to talk about. That's not in English.
Do I fit your standards?
In terms of what? Like friendship?
See, I need to go syndicate your friend is all.
I mean, I think we could be very good friends.
Kati Pauline mwema njagala okuwasa. Osobola okukkiriza? Is it?
Yeah.
Lwaki? Why?
Why? I just described to you the kind of man that I want.
Jim ngenda mama.
Where are your tattoos?
Huh?
Tattoos.
I have tattoos at the back.
I want like a fully tated man.
You want a fully tattooed man? Kati wemba swagala tattoo.
Auntie now,
It's a must.
It's a must, unfortunately.
Mama bano tebalina tattoo. So these are your managers?
Yes.
So I can't even come near to qualifying.
No, you can come near to qualifying to be my friend.
Can I fight on myself? So
I don't think so, no. I don't think so, no.
I don't qualify.
No.
Jim, young and again.
Ogenda chitufu, so we shall see how that goes.
Tattoo, no. If I have no tattoos, I don't qualify.
No.
Fig Famega qualifies.
Not at all.
Yeah.
I just described to you the man that I want. So anything outside that is...
Let's just imagine. Bebe Cool was not married.
No. He's not my kind of man, unfortunately.
Let's imagine Chameleon was not married. Hey, would you date a celebrity?
I think I would.
Because celebrities,
yeah, I would, but I don't know. People always say no because, they're a celebrity, but they're a person first before they're a celebrity. So if you find what you like in this person, what would be stopping you from, dating this person?
You've completed all my energy.
Should I get you a soda? Should I get you a soda? To kind of...
That's the situation I'm in.
You're so dramatic, oh my God.
Just live and leave. Just live and leave.
And leave, okay.
Kubanga, You've made my day. By the way, I came from home. Very bored. And I thought you're going to come here and we'll be there.
Yeah.
But you know, you're full of vibe.
Really? People have told me that, but I don't know.
No,
I don't know what they see.
You know why, yeah? I love people that are real. I love people that are real.
Yeah.
Because people love pretending so much. What does this tattoo mean?
It says be kind. And a lot of you are not kind people. Be kind. Do better.
People are not kind.
People are not kind. They just bully you for nothing. Don't do that. I think that's why I got it here, where everyone can see it. But people still don't. They're not nice people.
No, put it here.
I don't think I want face tattoos. I feel like my face is one
What
of
does
those.
this one mean? Yeah, this one.
It's supposed to be yin and yang, but I have one. My sister has the other. The
You
other
love your
half.
sister
Yes.
so much.
So much. Yeah.
So mwe babazala babiri. Yeah. Kyaka bazadde bamwe bagagga.
I should watch.
Babazala babiri. Your daddy works in the government.
No.
Hey, ate your mama.
My mom does.
Kati gwe naku kijolabyeko ku nsi. Gyogamba nti Alan there we suffered mwana gwe. I saw days in that situation.
I see days every day. I saw days this week.
Naku ze mpita days.
Chenkugamba nange.
Gwe naku kije walabye. Have you ever slept hungry?
Yes.
When?
At campus. At campus.
At campus? Suppose you're done with campus now.
Yes, yes I am.
Which course did you?
I did drama and film.
Hey, one man, this guy was telling me at Makerere, you did drama and film.
Yes.
How? Wait, they were telling me. But here, campus chicks can starve. Mama, is it true?
I mean,
Those girls starve.
I feel like if you're not wise with your money, you will starve.
So were you wise?
Some days I was wise, but other days, you know, oh, let's go out, yeah, let's go out.
What's
then
the
next
craziest
thing, you know.
you did at campus? The craziest thing you've ever done at campus?
Craziest thing.
I love you. Banange, you're open.
I don't think I've done crazy thing. What's that crazy thing? Like, what can be termed as a crazy thing?
You know, you see that guy there? That guy? You know that guy? Chosen Blood?
Hi.
Would you date that guy?
Why are you tricking me like this? Why are you putting me on
No,
the
that
spot?
guy is a mchotala.
I get that,
And
but
he has tattoos. You know, Chosen Blood has tattoos. He's a mchotala.
okay, let's start again. Tall? Yeah, let's start from there.
Chosen Blood tallness, you know.
No, I mean, I think he's okay. A lot of these people that I meet, I think they would make very good friends, but just not husband/boyfriend.
Nkubwelya Pauline, I love your life.
Really?
I would love to spend a whole day with you. Nga tutambula butambuzi.
Hey.
Hey.
But now, me, I don't
Have
go
you
anywhere.
ever gone Mulungu?
No.
You don't know Mulungu? Mwana lwaki temutwanga Mulungu. Look at these people.
I know. What are they doing?
Wama Mulungu, there is fish.
I don't like fish.
Do you have a Rwandan blood in you?
No.
You don't eat fish at home?
No, I eat fish, but I like specifically fish from the beach.
Yes, that's why it is.
Like where they like do the whole deep frying twice.
Yes,
And they like put for you lemon. I like that. But like normal fish, no.
And that's what is done in Mulungu.
Oh, okay, yeah, we should go. We should go.
Hey.
That one,
Actually,
that
I
one,
should
yeah.
take you there one day, myself.
We should go after this. What are we
Hey,
doing?
But we are not going with those boys.
No, they're not going to come. They already didn't take me, so.
Yes. We are not going. Those ones will bagamba batya bajja kwonoona enteekateeka zange. How do they say it in English?
They'll destroy your plans.
Yes. Kangu nno naye mama. Oh. But let me tell you something. Vibing a girl in English,
It's hard.
You also know, eh? You've seen men dying, eh? Yeah.
And I'm just say it the way you want. I'll understand, but like,
Man, it's hard.
you're struggling.
You saw men dying, eh? Have you ever seen men? You see men dying on you, eh?
not dying on me per se, but they just be having a really hard time trying to. Now we know. They just have a hard time trying to express themselves in English.
Wait, vibing a girl in English. Ah, if someone says, hi, Pauline.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm okay, how are you?
Yeah. You see a man squeezing that. You see a man squeezing fingers. Name on Uganda.
Hmm?
Oh. What? And by the way, Amore is there seated. Amore is like, you know, gone are the days when I used to ngambera unenkupe chifana ngamba, hey, I wish I could get a girl ngayogera oluzungu lwerutinga lungi.
But you have one now.
Yeah.
And it's going well.
Why are you forcing it on me?
No, you
Why
said.
are you trying to make me look like it's going on so well?
You said.
No. Just stop on you have one.
Okay,
period.
okay, you have one.
But the way the way you're putting it on me, but it's going on well because you don't want me to go on with my plans.
No, but is it not going well? If it's not going well, you tell her and she changes.
Me, I had started liking you.
Stop immediately.
Yeah?
Stop.
Do you want to work?
No, I don't think it will.
That's what I've been telling those boys. You know that guy was telling me, osobola omutwala Pauline ali wa mirembe.
Omutwala wa. Where are we going?
Buso okwewangulira.
Nedda.
Nepo njala nange just tuzinemu kali akazina.
Nakugambye.
I just want to do a challenge of your dance with you.
Auntie, that's what I said.
Hey.
You can't do the same things for everyone. There's something that are just reserved for that one specific person.
Kati waliwo akantu kendabye. Naye mwabali yosigenda kabalaga ne wamanja bulijjo njagala kabuuza. Pauline, this is the right you're the right person to ask.
Yes.
Kati I've seen you. Nga you put a pin on your umbilical cord.
I do have a belly piercing.
Is it painful?
No. I mean, it's painful for the first like 1 second when they put the needle, but everything else is just.
Why did you do that?
sailing. Why? I thought it was cool at the time. I had money. No one was stopping me.
You had money, so you no longer have money.
No, now I don't have money to do like piercings and tattoos. But then I had the money and I did them. No one was stopping me, so yeah.
I want to visit your mommy and dad.
You should come. You should come.
They won't chase me.
No. I think that actually embrace you very much because I feel like they're like, you're old enough, you should be moving out and getting married.
They always say so.
Yeah. And I'm just like,
especially your mom.
Especially my aunt, actually. And I'm just like, no, you guys are going to see me here for like a very long time. I'm still very much here.
What time do you wake up?
It depends on what I have to do. If I don't have anything to do, I'll wake up at 9, 10. If I have things to do, 5.
Yeah?
5 a.m. Yeah.
Kati gwe wanjagadde kukola mulimu ki nga weekozesa? Singa oba wakwekozesa, if someone is open for your business, which business do you want?
I don't know what to say open for your business. Like, what do they be wanting in return?
Asobola okuba mukwano gwo, asobola okuba sengaawo, anti wo, n'alaba interview eno n'agamba bulijjo muwala waffe bw'ati bw'alowooza.
Oh, okay. So I think I'm very good at like doing stuff with my hands. So like plating. I like to do hair. I think it gives me like some sort of purpose. Yeah. So I think I'd be a hairstylist. I think. But I don't want to really like confine myself to one thing because I feel like everything is possible. I can do everything.
So yesterday you slept at your mommy's place?
No, I was actually in my friend's place, at my friend's place.
I knew. That guy can
Girl.
never... Hey. Hello?
Why do you jump into conclusion?
Man, there's the way you looked at me like...
I know, like, relax.
Yeah.
Girl.
Pauline! Bonjour, monsieur. Hey, Pauline. The way TikTokers are going to enjoy this show.
Yeah, and I really hope they don't, like, use it for wrong reasons.
Even if they do. Even if they do.
But I'm tired. I'm tired of having to, like, you know, I'm not even trying to defend myself online, but, like, my friends are like, oh, my God, how are you? Aren't you stressed? And I'm like, I'm now stressed now that you're talking about it. So I just don't want to be stressed again. Yeah. So I just really hope, oh my gosh. I just really hope they don't use it for like the wrong reasons.
You know, after here, I'm going to take you to Papa's spot. Have you ever gone to Papa's spot?
No. What's that?
Miss XCLUSIVE's restaurant. It's there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they have good local food. You love local food?
What's local food? Like matoke?
Never nange.
Yeah, I like.
Wekoleze muri. Tomanyi local food.
No, da oracho juita local food.
Ne mwana gwe. Polini?
Wanje?
Poze nye dagwani?
Asimwe.
Polini asimwe. Akati polini asimwe.
Wanje.
Local food kwe kuba amatoke, nyama ya boxi.
I don't like saga that boil.
Eh?
I don't like boiled things.
Kale waliyo goat gravy.
Oh, okay, yeah, I like that.
Waliyo
Jinuts with fish.
Jinuts with fish, jinuts with meat.
Yeah, I like that.
You like that?
I like peas as well.
What?
Peas.
Peas, cow, mbadde manyi pizza.
Not pizza, local food.
No, other part of the restaurant.
Oh, okay.
Waliyo cassava.
I like, what kind of cassava do they have? Like the one they tie in a leaf, eh?
That one.
Yeah, I like that one.
Yeah.
That one. I don't like the fried one. I feel like they don't know how to fry. Okay, a lot of people don't know how to fry the fried one.
How do
Like,
they fry it?
like they just throw it in the oil, but like sometimes it doesn't get ready. And I like the one that they tie in a leaf and they put on top of the food and then they steam it for like a while. I like that one.
You love that one?
Yeah.
Go Sirikire. I promise you I'm talking to Papa's Murungo.
Yeah.
Those two places you love, just know. Chicken is Luombo.
Yeah.
You love chicken Luombo?
Yes, I've had it on like Kwanjulas and stuff.
Only there?
I don't think I have the time to like do it myself. Also, I think the leaf might kind of pose a problem for me.
No.
The one that they like tie the food
I
in.
can teach you.
See, now we have a list of things to do. Our whole list.
By the way, you move away slowly from those tattoo guys.
Oh, that's a plan. Oh, but what if I find someone who has tattoos and like does all these
don't
things?
munange.
Hey, sorry.
Those are bad guys. They even kidnap you.
Really?
Those are bad guys.
Bad.
Hey, those tattoo guys. Why they look like monsters? They look like monsters.
They look like art. They
So you
look
want a
very
guy like Lily
beautiful.
Wine?
No, I feel like he's an extreme. He's a very extreme, and he has some face ones. I don't want people who tamper with their face. Like, do everything else. Just leave your face alone.
Okay. Hey, I'm happy now. I'm your friend. Ha. Now people are going to start asking me, wait, what do you know your mother near Levie? What do you know your mother Bagambe? Yeah. I was there, yeah.
Yeah, who are
But
here.
by the one thing I pray for you, you should become an actress.
You think I'd really do it well?
What I put in my things?
Please, no Luganda. Not Luganda.
Yeah. Pauline.
No, Andrew.
Tujja duzanya.
Because I'm English, like, do you know the thing that the Katikiro hates? Where you're speaking like Uganda and you put English words?
Hey, Katikiro hates that.
Oh my God, he hates it so much. I think he talks about it like every time.
How did you know?
Because my mom says she doesn't like it as well, so she can be giving me examples. She's like, see, even the Katikiro doesn't like it when you're speaking Luganda and you mix in other languages. And I'm just like, okay, well, but I don't know the word for that. She's like, you see, you don't pay attention to the culture and why.
So your mom loves her Katikiro?
I think she loves anything that's organized and cultural. Yeah.
Your mom is also a Westerner? Even dad? Mama. Chintu chinyuma bunyumi.
Yeah.
Otherwise, as we are concluding our show, comment section down there. If you loved the Pauline's show, tell us. For us, I will fix Pauline's time. Pauline, now I want, I want us to make a show. I take you downtown. Yeah. People see how you struggle with those people. I want to take you to a Wuno. You know where Wuno is?
Yeah.
Have you ever gone there?
I've been there so many times.
Do what?
Shopping.
You go to a Wuno? Where do you buy your clothes?
Anywhere that's affordable.
Yeah. I thought you go to Acacia.
I mean, I go there for specific things. Like, if I'm looking for a certain specific top or a certain specific pair of jeans, then I'll go to like a place where I know I can get one. But if I'm just looking for something just to wear, downtown, please.
Ham Tower.
Ham Tower, you slope, you enter City Mall, you turn around like this, everywhere.
You know those places?
Yeah.
You can even take me there.
I can take you right now.
Chofanana si choli. Era pe uljaju. Chovala banze nkulabye ngolimu wife material.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yay.
Kubanga eriyo omukyala gwolaba noga oyo ajja kunkalubiriza obulamu ne kati njagala omukyala nga nera mugamba Pauline abaana baffe tubatwala mu UPE. We'll be like, yes, if you have no money bagende basome.
I feel, okay, I don't know. I feel like if you are going to have kids, you need to have prepared.
Yeah.
Like, be ready to, you know, have all these expenses put on you. Because I don't feel like you should bring children into our world to suffer.
Oli muwala mugezi nnyo.
Thank you.
Simanyi lwaki ex yakukyawa.
Nze namukyawa. Lwaki ogamba ye yankyawa?
Wamukyawa? Kyakola ki? Over cheating, eh? Hey. You know that guy? That guy used to cheat. I'm just quiet.
What guy?
That ex of yours.
Oh, you know him? You already know.
Esi mukasya kano kankwanjulira emamiga gy'ekisi abakola emiramu education gagesi zonna mu Uganda balina tablets z'abaana zonna mu bika nga syamusanga apo oligimo ate nga balina n'esiina keyboard balina ebimotoka by'abaana ebimundu essaawa bagisi z'abaana bottles container ng'ogasseko ne building blocks balina headsets z'abaana balina smart watch zonna ate nga ziri oligino balina wireless charger ate nga basisinkanibwa wali ku Pioneer Mall edduka li PA11 ate ng'osobola bakubira ku 0703-69-04 gambye ekikwasagana education gadgets zonna olina kwekwata mami gadgets kubanga yasinga.
By the time you clock 30, abatatu ojja kuba bavuddemu. Just katukuwemu obudde.
Mumpemu obudde.
Just kati okyewaniikirira.
Now you never know. I might get married next year. Nga 30 is tetuuse.
Auntie, I don't want you to get married to those tattoo guys. Simanyi tattoo, simanyi bikino.
Kati ngena kunoonyayo omulala.
Njagala ofunenga simple boy ngo yali ku kamera awo mutandike relationship mwezimbe. Oyinza tutembe okwezimba. Togimanyi?
Sijagala. Don't park. I see you parking.
Auntie, we are concluding. You don't want it.
I feel like money changes men.
There's the way a man looks handsome with money.
Not even that. When they get money, they start thinking, oh, I can get better. And it's just like, okay, why couldn't you get the better then? Why did you have to now? People be doing too much. Men be doing too much. So, yeah.
Kale, obudde bwe buno butuuse buweddeyo. I've had a very good conversation with Pauline. Please don't judge her. Because...
What's that to judge, honestly? I feel like people, I look at it like this. People will have something to say about you because, you know, they're either jealous of you or they don't have the confidence to do what you would do.
Yes.
Or which I don't think, anyway.
Leave them.
To each their own.
Wanji?
To each their own.
Kategezachi.
Like for you, your thing might be jealousy. Your thing might be jealousy, my thing might be just being me.
Would you love to work on TV or radio?
I don't know.
I think you would sound good on radio.
Really?
Try KFM, try Radio 1, try Sanyo, try Capital.
Don't even worry about it. Starting today,
Well,
I'm going to try everything.
Well, I try. Me, I know you'd sound good on radio.
You'd listen to my show?
Yes. And it should be a love show.
Really?
Or a mid-morning show. Because those shows need people with vibe. Have a good vibe.
Oh, thank you.
Who is your friend? Do your friends look like you or?
Yes, I have a lot of very gorgeous friends.
Beautiful?
Very gorgeous friends.
Gorgeous? Ati njagala beera mukwano gomanye mikwano.
Yeah, and you see them already.
Pakati nyinza okumaliriza nga
weefuniddeyo.
They will lock me outside.
Really? Sorry. We apologize immensely.
Kategeza kyako.
A lot.
Okogera otya?
Immensely.
Immensely? I need to take you. I have my auntie. She's called Aunt Lilian Nyakato. But my auntie speaks a lot of English, just like
I think we'd be friends.
Hey, I'll take you there one day.
You should take
Aunt
me
Lilian, I need to give you this friend of mine. I think you guys would. Otherwise, CRUZ exclusive, ALLANCRUZ is my name. By the way, ALLANCRUZ is my name.
I know what your name is.
Did you know me?
Yeah.
Did you know me?
I knew
How
you.
Did you know me?
My friend.
Yeah, your friend told you about me. And you searched.
Of course, you have to. You see the way you do background checks? That's the way we do background checks.
Where did you check? Which
YouTube,
platforms?
people, random people.
Hey,
You know, actually, you know, when you talk to people, you find out that this world is very small.
Sure.
Everyone knows someone. Someone knows someone.
So you talk to your friends? Yeah. And you ask them?
Not my gorgeous friends, like my other friends. He's I was asking my gorgeous friends.
So what did they talk about me?
Oh no, that you just have a very catchy show, and a lot of people like listen to it, they watch it, they reference it. So I think I accept it because, you know.
You also went on my Instagram.
No.
And
You have Instagram? Do you post your girl there? Is your girlfriend on there?
Must follow me.
Is your girlfriend on there?
Njagala abantu kati gabatana okungamba gwe poli sigaba namba ya poli sigaba masanyalaze kuba nammwe mwagalina temwampa. You know any puzzle?
No, not like personally.
But you know
But
him?
I've heard about
You know
him.
his song of Enkudi?
No. No.
You don't know that song of Enkudi?
You will send it to me.
I will. Always. So, wamma nkwagaliza bisinga.
Thank you so
much for coming.
Thank you for having
Engalo
me.
zonga zigonda nnyo. What do you do?
Moisturizer.
Hey.
And you know, people be like, oh, moisturizer is so expensive. Vaseline. No more Vaseline.
Bambi. Poli ni muntu mulungi. Bantu bangi muyinza omujajinga bambi ne mugamba era bedede. Naye bambi, she's not what you think. She's just a free soul.
Yeah.
Hey, mwana wa mirembe. By the way, oyinza otuuke waka mami n'akugamba. Wakiwaganye Alan? Why? Okimanyi? Yeah?
Tajja.
Yeah?
Tajja kumbuuza.
Tajja kubuuza. Musibe bulungi wamma for now. So, thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much for having me.
Send greetings to your gorgeous friends.
To all my gorgeous friends and family, I love you so much.
Muli mwani nani mu gorgeous friends omwo?
You might look for them.
You're jealous now?
No, I just want you to meet them in
person.
person.
Kulabye nawe bali kutte polini. Toyagala g'amasanyalaze nabo bwe bagalina tebakuwa. CRUZ exclusive. ALLANCRUZ is my name, and of course follow me on Instagram. ALLANCRUZ, TikTok. ALLANCRUZ. Thank you so much. Have you watched my skits of Mama Brighton?
No, not yet.
Oh, you need to.
Please, after this.
After this, go and watch some skits. You laugh. You laugh, Pauline. Chobla nkugambye, Pauline. You have to act.
I have to act.
Pauline, by the way, you have to be a star.
I have to be a star. I do want to be a star.
You want? Chechi ganye. Masanyalazi.
Scandals. Sagala kubeera mu scandals.
Kale, saga asukawo wano kubanga Pauline ye buli nyumya kano Pauline anyuma. Kale, saga kusukako wano comment section inkulu nnyo wansaawo. Teekawo bakawo bonna bwanjagadde kubanga atosaawo. Saga kusukako wano for now for today. Sibe bulungi. Mwera.
Wano ku Hasi Beauty Parlor tuli bakafulumu kulabirira n'okuyooyoota ensusu. Tukola facial ne tukupepeta ka face ne kawawera nga aka baby. tusiba n'okukola enviiri mu buli musono, so nga mu kukola pedicure ne manicure tuwekansa. Tusala enviiri mu buli musono. Ate bwe kituuka mu kukola makeup tetumanyiiyo mulala. Tuli muyenga ku Tank Hill Road okuliraana Italian Supermarket mu basement. Essimu tuli ku noti 7266 682 953. Teweerabira, saluuni egenda okujjayo bulungi bwo n'ekitiibwa kyo ye Hasi Beauty Parlor, a world of beauty. Wano ku Hasi Beauty Parlor tuli bakafulu mu kulabirira n'okuyooyoota ensusu. Tukola facial ne tukupepeta ka feesi ne kawaweera ng'aka baby. Tusiba n'okukola enviiri mu buli musono, so nga mu kukola pedicure ne manicure tuwekansa. Tusala enviiri mu buli musono. Ate bwe kituuka mu kukola makeup tetumanyiiyo mulala. Tuli muyenga ku Tank Hill Road okuliraana Italian Supermarket mu basement. Essimu tuli ku noti 7266 682 953. Teweerabira, saluuni egenda okujjayo bulungi bwo n'ekitiibwa kyo ye Hasi Beauty Parlor, a world of beauty.